Welcome back. The Gift of India, written by Sarojini Naidu. Important multiple choice questions, video number 2. Do check the pinned comment section for the link of video number 1, The Gift of India, important MCQs. Question 31. The soldiers are likened to pearls, shells, blossoms, or all of the above. What is the right answer? The soldiers are likened to pearls, shells, blossoms, all of the above. Question 32. The soldiers are likened to pearls, blossoms, and shells to highlight these qualities of the sons of Mother India. Let's read the options to see the qualities now. They are precious, fragile, and innocent. They are filled with zest, vigor, and vitality for life. They are selfless, cooperative, and have dominating personalities, or they are of varied natures and temperament. The right answer is the first option. They are precious, fragile, and innocent. Question 33. What figure of speech is used in "They lie with pale brows and grave broken hands"? Simile, alliteration, hyperbole, or pun? Very easy. The second option. They lie with pale brows, brave, broken hands. Therefore, alliteration. Can we measure the grief of the tears I weep, or compass the woe of the watch I keep? What emotion is revealed here? The rage of Mother India, the happiness of Mother India, the inconsolable grief of Mother India, or the indifference of Mother India. The inconsolable grief of a mother is revealed when the speaker asks the British whether they can determine or measure the pain and anguish of the tears that she sheds, or whether they understand the deep sorrow of the watch she keeps over her children. So the third option is the right answer. Question 35. What is the meaning of the expression "the woe of the watch I keep"? Mother India is waiting for her precious children to return. Mother India cares for her precious children. Mother India is tired of waiting for her children, or the first two options. The right answer, first two options. She is waiting for her children to return, and this shows that she cares for her children. They are precious. Next, what is the meaning of thrills here? The meaning is, let's see the options: comprehend, strong foundation, pulsates, or exciting. The meaning is the third option, throbs or pulsates. What thrills through the heart of Mother India now? Agony, frustration, hope, or pride? Let's read the textual line: or the pride that thrills through my heart's despair. So the right answer is the fourth option, pride. Question 38. What comforts the anguish of the prayers of Mother India? Woe, hope, pride, or pain? So the hope that comforts the anguish of prayer, this is the specific textual line. The right answer is the second option, hope. Question 39. What is the meaning of "or the pride that thrills through my heart's despair"? Pride overpowers the despair of the heart of Mother India. Pride courses through the wounded heart of Mother India and dims the despair, or pride makes Mother India vain and boastful? The first two options. What is the right answer? The first two options is the right answer. Pride overpowers the despair of the heart of Mother India and courses through her wounded heart and dims the despair. Next, question 40. What is the meaning of compass, gaze, measure, shift, or understand? Very important. What is the word meaning of compass? It's comprehend or understand, the fourth option. 41. What is the meaning of the anguish of prayer? Mother India prays in agony. Mother India is fed up of praying. Mother India is tired of praying, or Mother India is crying while praying. The right answer is Mother India prays in agony. She is grief-stricken. Next, what is the symbolic significance of sad, glorious vision? Stands for the sacrifice of the brave Indian soldiers, stands for the inconsolable grief of the Indian soldiers, stands for the joy of victory mixed with the sorrow of death of the brave soldiers, or stands for the glorification of war. Now, in this poem, there is no glorification of war. In fact, we have elements of anti-war poem here. So, the right answer is stands for the joy of victory mixed with the sorrow of death of the brave soldiers. It's the third option. Next, question number 43. What is the symbolic significance of the torn red banners of victory? Red flags, battle worn, announces victory as well as the bloodshed and pain of the Indian soldiers. Red flags, torn and ragged, symbolize danger. Red flags represent the bloodshed on the battlefield, or none of the above. The torn red banners of victory. The right answer is red flags, battle worn, not only announces victory but also shows the bloodshed of the soldiers, the pain of the Indian soldiers. 44. What is the literary device of sad, glorious vision? Alliteration, simile, anaphora, or oxymoron? The right answer is oxymoron. How can a glorious vision be sad? So, opposite words in close conjunction. Therefore, the figure of speech here is oxymoron. Very important. Learn this. What does Mother India wish when the war gets over and life returns to normal? That people must give rightful honor to the martyred sons of India. That people must recognize the sacrifice of our sons. That people must hero worship the British soldiers, or first two options. Again, the people must give rightful honor to the martyred sons of India, and they must recognize the sacrifice of her sons, the Indian soldiers, the brave Indian soldiers. 46. When will life be refashioned on the anvils of peace? When the war will be won? When the horror and turbulence of war and hate subsides? When the sons of India return to Mother India, or when the British return to their country? When the terror and the tumult of hate shall cease and life be refashioned on anvils of peace. So, the right option is the second option, the right answer. 47. What does blood symbolize in? Remember the blood of my martyred sons, the bloodshed, destruction, the supreme sacrifice of the Indian soldiers, or the pain of the soldiers. Here, the right answer is, the most appropriate answer rather is the supreme sacrifice of the Indian soldiers. They die for the sake of a cause which is not their immediate cause. They die in a foreign land, away from their native place or away from their motherland. So, this is the supreme sacrifice of the Indian soldiers. So, remember that, honor that. 48. What does the expression of anvils of peace signify? A strong foundation of peace, strong foundation of development, strong foundation of powerful weapons, strong foundation of trust. The first option, a strong foundation of peace. The gift of India evokes a sense of pride, grief, loss, or all of the above. Very easy, all of the above. Next, 50. What is the literary device in torn red banners? The right answer is, again, oxymoron, torn red banners. After that, which is not an example of alliteration? Question 51. Woe of the watch, terror and the tumult, sad glorious vision, deeds of the dauntless. Which is not an example of alliteration? It's sad glorious vision. 52. Why is the gift of India an anti-war poem? Very, very important. Prepare this as a long question. Anti-war poem, the gift of India. Depiction of the horrors of war, depiction of the premature loss of young soldiers, depiction of the miserable condition of Indian soldiers who could never reunite with their families and their country, or all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. This poem is an anti-war poem because of the depiction of the horrors of war, depiction of the premature loss of young Indian soldiers, the sons of Mother India, and the depiction of the miserable condition of the Indian soldiers who could never reunite with their families and their country. So prepare this. This is very, very important, and here I come to the end of this discussion.